Hey, what's happening YouTube? Once again, this is your boy Lewis, and in today's episode I have a really quick tutorial for you. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to enable the dark theme in Windows 11. Okay, now this particular feature hasn't been out in previous versions of Windows. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and show you how to do that really quick. And as you can see, this is the default color right here, and in Notepad, but it's bright and it could really put in some strain into your eyes. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to do that. So just come over here to the upper right hand corner, hit the settings icon right there, the little gear right there, and as you can see, you're gonna be able to see that right there where it says app theme. Go ahead and select the little drop down arrow there and just select dark. Okay, then just go back, and there you have it right there. That's a lot cleaner, and it could really help you out if you're working at night. All right, so there you have it right there, quick and simple. So I'm gonna go ahead and start doing a lot more of these quick tutorials. So what do you think? All right, so thanks a lot for watching. Please go ahead and show me some love and like and subscribe. All right, so there you have it. Thank you very much. Take care. Peace out. See you in the next one.